A great thing with this car, it's got both speakers. That's one great thing. The other thing is music streaming, so or audio streaming, and I'll just show you how to do that. So if you go to your music, you'll see at the bottom there PCM, iPhone and PCM. There's a tick next to PCM, so that's the communications system in the Porsche. If we go over to media, click on media, you'll see auxiliary Bluetooth. I'm just going to turn it down so it don't go wild when it does switch on. So we'll click it again. That's auxiliary. Click, and we're on auxiliary Bluetooth. It's showing my phone. Whatever plays through this phone now, the audio will come through the speakers. So we'll go back. I'm going to turn that down, turn this up, and then the speakers are fantastic. It really is good. That's how you stream audio.